Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to hide the title from a page in your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Shopify.com website right here and log into your account. And after logging into your Shopify account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the options that you can use for managing your Shopify store, such as the home section right here at the left side of the screen. Here you can see all of your orders, your products, customers, and so on. So guys, let's say that we have some pages in the Shopify store website where we want to remove the title from them. Now guys, this is how you do it. First things first guys, go to the left side of the screen and click the online store option right here. Clicking on online store guys, this will now open up this new drop down menu with multiple options. You want to make sure you have selected the themes option, and in the themes option guys, this will now open up this new page where you can see the theme you are using. So what we want to do guys, go to the right side of the theme name and click the three dots that appear, and in this new menu that they will open up, click on the edit code button. After clicking on edit code guys, this will now take us to this new page where we can edit the code of our website. So as you can see on this website right here that gives us a tutorial how to remove the title from a Shopify page, it tells us right what we have to do. So basically if you scroll down, you will see that all you have to do to remove the title is to just copy this code that you will find in this page right here and find the page that you want to remove it from. So let's go ahead and find the page that we want to remove it. I'm going to go ahead and open up our assets, and I'm going to remove it from every one of our pages by pasting this code right here at the end of the line. So just go ahead and click save guys, and now we will paste this code that will remove all the titles from our pages, as you can follow along on this website right here. If you want to remove it on a specific page, you have to open up that page right here and then remove it in a code. But basically this is how to do it, and after previewing the website you will see you have removed all of your titles. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how do you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.